Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, guys, this is just gonna be a quick little video. I put together a video last week for you guys to show y'all that we had gotten moved in. We are finally in the new house. I'm beyond thrilled, guys. I'm so proud and I'm just so grateful. Oh my gosh, I'm so grateful. But I hadn't really put out any Christmas stuff yet. So I thought that I would give y'all just a quick little tour of the living room and the kitchen and dining room, and just the little stuff that I have gotten put out so far of my Christmas stuff. So let's do it. Okay, so I thought we would just start right here at the Christmas tree. So my mamaw, Jordan's mamaw, whatever, she's my mamaw too. She had this tree put up in her shed, and she offered to let us use it for this year. We weren't going to go out and buy a new one just for this year because, hello, we only have like 14 days till Christmas. So it was kind of silly to go out and buy a brand new tree. But anyways, so Jordan's mama let us use this one and I love it. I think it's perfect for this little spot. I put a few little ornaments on, but I didn't really want to just load it down like I normally do. I really just wanted the lights. That was the main thing. I just wanted the lights. And let me show y'all this. Check out the tree skirt or tree collar, I think is what you call it. Y'all, I got that at Five Below, but I have also seen them in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5. And it's so stinking cute. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, got that at the Dollar Tree Plus. No, I got that one at Five Below, but like I said, I've seen them in the Dollar Tree Plus. I got my cute little boxes from the Dollar General store. That tree right there is actually two of the Dollar Tree Plus trees together. I put two together to make one kind of thicker tree. Finally got my fireplace put together and I've been able to kind of decorate it. Guys, I got all these little trees you see here, these cute little trees like that. Got those at the Dollar Tree Plus section. I also got these nutcrackers right here from the Dollar Tree Plus. This came from Dollar Tree Plus. Let's see, the little stackable trees, that one and that one. Got those at Five Below. And then everything else you see came from the Dollar General store. Even the little garland, the lights garland, that came from the Dollar General, guys. Is that not so cute? Anyways, I love my little nutcrackers. Like I said, I got these at the Dollar Tree Plus section. And then I got these two big ones from the Dollar General store. So that's pretty cool. But that's some of my Christmas stuff I've got out. Got some stuff on the table here. I made this in a recent DIY video. I made those actually back during the spring in a DIY video. The little wooden trees you see, I know I'm going to get questions about those because they're so cute and I have them everywhere. But those little wooden trees, guys, those came from the Dollar General. They were $1 for two. Too stinking cute. Anyways, so, and of course we've got puppies everywhere, babies on the couch. They weren't supposed to be on the furniture when we moved in, but that didn't last 2 seconds, guys. Anyways, I got my little blankets and I love that they are pink. Oh my gosh, they are pink with the plaid. I got those at the Dollar General store. But anyways, and then I've got another one over here. And guys, what about my quilt rack? So this was my grandmother's, guys. I love it so much. I wasn't really planning on having a quilt rack. I was going to do a blanket ladder, but the fact that it's my grandmother's just makes it oh so special. My stepmom brought it to me for our housewarming, and I was just beside myself because it, like I said, it was my grandmother's, so it's just so much more special. But anyway, so got that. I don't think I had this sign hung whenever I showed you guys last, but this was given to me by a very good friend of mine. She lives really close by and she watches the channel and she kind of keeps up with me, and she's just a dear, dear friend of mine. But that actually came from the Dollar General store, guys. Can you believe that? That came from the Dollar General. My stepmom actually made this. I think that's very, very cute. And then some of my Christmas stuff in the kitchen, like I got this at the Dollar General. Can you believe it's pink? Oh my goodness. My little gnome, he came from Dollar Tree. This came from the Dollar General. Of course, those came from the Dollar General. That tree came from that tree came from Five Below. And then my little elf came from Dollar General, and the little nostalgic tree came from Five Below. Anyways, moving on, these little trees I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck it on a candlestick there. What's some of the other Christmassy stuff I had? The little snowman, he came from the Dollar General store. Let's see. This came from Dollar Tree, of course, and then that came from the Dollar General store. That tree there came from the Dollar General store. The Days Till Christmas came from Dollar General. This came from the Dollar Tree Plus, and this tree came from Five Below. Yeah. Now these trees like this, guys, I bought this at the Dollar General store for $7. Do y'all see how big that is? $7. Yeah. Dollar General, guys. I love the Dollar General. I do. I think I showed you guys this tree in the last video, but I wanted to mention it again because my daughter and her grandmother found this tree for us. And it looks just like one that my grandmother had years ago. Like my grandmother and her sisters all made the porcelain trees, or whatever they're called. Not porcelain, but plaster of Paris or whatever it is. Anyways, so they all had, each of them had one of these trees like this. And so they found it and gave it to me, and I just love it. I think it's so, so pretty. I love it so much. Now this tree, guys, I'm really not sure where I got that. I think I got that at Bargain Hunt, I think. And then, of course, my little Christmas village, I made that. Some of the pieces to it are missing, but that's okay. Anyways, and then on to the kitchen table. I made this in a DIY video. I got this little tree at the Dollar General. I made the lantern in a DIY video. And then, of course, like I said before, I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's just like the other one. And I just stuck it on a little candlestick. But, yeah. So, and then I got my sign hung. I'm so proud of that sign, y'all. That is Taylor Canvases. I'll have a link in the description box if you guys want to check that out. But, yeah. So, anyways, that is the Christmas haul for now. I haven't decorated any of the other rooms. That's why I decided just to stay, you know, strictly in the living room and dining room and kitchen, because I really haven't done any decorating to the rest of the house. But so far, this is what we got. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. That's another one of those trees that I got from the Dollar General. $7, guys. Anyways. All right, well, that was it. I know this was a short video, but I wanted to just take you around and show y'all some of my Christmas stuff, tell y'all where I got it. If you're looking for last minute little decor items, definitely check out the Dollar General and Dollar Tree, and also Dollar Tree Plus. And you know, somewhere else that's good for Christmas decor is Family Dollar. The Family Dollar has got some really cute stuff out right now. So anyways, I think I showed you guys, the only other room that I decorated for Christmas was the kids' bathroom. And I haven't been in here yet since they left for school, so there's no telling what it looks like. It actually doesn't look too bad. Let's close the curtain a little bit. But, yeah, so I got the rug. If you missed that video, I'll tell you real quick where I got all this stuff. Got the rug at Dollar General. Got the shower curtain at the Dollar General. I got my two big fat gnomes at the Dollar Tree Plus section. I believe they were $3 a piece. Too cute. I got this at the Dollar General. This at the Dollar General. Got the hand towels at the Dollar General. This at the Dollar General. This at the Dollar General. And then this little guy I got in the Dollar Tree Plus section. And he is too cute. Hang on. There we go. He lights up. How cute is that? Dollar Tree Plus, guys. I'm telling you, they've got some of the cutest stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love making videos like this for y'all, and I'm just so proud to be in this house. So I hope y'all don't get tired of seeing it, because you're probably going to see a lot of it. Anyways, I thank you all so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.